what's up,
Oh my
guys?
God, it's Chef Amaya. Let's make some food, guys. Popping up.
What the frick are you? First of all, I'm a filmer, so I need this to pick out my items. Condiments. I need to pick out my condiments.
Condiments.
Not condoms. Oh my God, I know what I'm making. Everyone close your eyeballs. Wait, I'm going to make you guys a dish and you're going to judge it, okay?
Okay.
Do they agree with that?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
I do. Okay. So you guys. Yeah. No. And you have to close your eyes and eat it, okay?
Oh my God, I have my computer set up so we can make a video of that.
Nah.
If you guys want to see a video of me playing Roblox, then like and subscribe.
No, don't.
Hey, I'm not the creator of these videos.
I was plugging your channel.
Wait, show me the grandma.
Come on, holy. Guys, no. Guys, make sure this kid doesn't get your way.
Hello, I'm the grandma.
Okay.
We got him killed. Let's go make the food now.
Okay, leave.
I'm cameraman.
No.
I'm cameraman.
Okay, fine. It's gonna be a surprise for you guys too. Bye.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, go into the drag him and down.
Come on, buddy.
Drag him down the stairs.
Okay.
Do me downstairs.
Okay.
I want to be in my man cave. It's my bed.
Drag him down the stairs and throw him in his bed.
No,
Grab a
not
blanket.
no, bring me right by my bed.
Drag him down the stairs or throw him down the stairs. Whatever you want. Just take it.
We'll be right.
We'll
right back.
Guys. What do you not like and you want me to not make?
I'm your mom.
Okay.
I don't like green peas. and I
You'll be
don't
eating
like
them.
beans.
Okay. Seems nice to me. Where's your camera? Oh. She's lazy, isn't
We're back.
she? Okay, get it downstairs. I'll hand you this. Shut up.
Stella.
You're not Stella.
Yay.
You are Jaden and you are our boy for the rest of your life.
Okay.
You're not trans.
Ow.
Throw him.
Stella's a girl.
Exactly. You're just taking my
be
shoes
hot.
with you. Thanks, my
be
boy
hot.
shoes.
Okay.
Throw it.
Go.
Yeah. I'll make it for you guys.
Go fast.
My shoes. And I
Look my channel.
So guys, if you want to subscribe to my event on Vogel, you go right ahead. If you guys want to subscribe to me, go right ahead too. And if you guys want to subscribe to this guy's channel,
I
retarded.
have one. I'm
Yo,
Jaden,
wait,
my
yo,
real
bro.
name.
Yo, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Did you say my freaking middle name?
My Vogel's channel.
You better not have said Evangeline, because if you're taking off my sister abusing me and taking my name because she's like, I'm not Evangeline Vogel, and then drives me down the stairs.
That all.
Can't take my name, okay?
Okay, man.
Wait, that all been said on the camera.
Yeah, I know. I'm not dumb.
Did
My
you say-
abusive sister. All she does is drag me down the stairs and do a couple marks. But you know, she's got yelled at. She's good. Don't call the cops or I'll find where you live. Britain can kill ya. Yeah, that's the nicest way to put it.
Okay, bye, lady.
If you're a girl,
Maya,
no, if you're a girl, I'll rape you.
I gotta go to the bathroom
No,
now.
I'm not gonna that sound.
That bathroom is my goal.
I have to scratch his back, like with my nails and like. Oh, this sounds like a chalkboard. Ready? Rip headphone users. Okay. You little. I didn't say anything. When I see my friend. No, I go to my friend's house. James, ready? We're gonna do a knock job. Ready?
Who's there?
Joe.
Joe who?
Joe, Mom!
Holy crap.
Time to ask who Joe is. Don't ask who Joe is. Hey guys, you should look up on the internet who is Joe, and it will like show you Joe Mama.
Go,
You know
go
what?
make the food
It'll
now,
show you
man.
something uglier than your mom. Oh my god.
Go make the food now, man. Go make the food. This was a food cooking
Just
episode.
about to pull down my pants.
Okay, well, actually shut it.
Hey, don't show that. It's a ghost!
Amaya, should we make a haunted episode? Like and subscribe if you want to.
Ah, my pants are
Ow, my leg.
Stop! Wait. I gotta change my pants because they have pee. Ew, you freaking, oh my god! That's what happens when you make me go crazy. You peed his freaking pants. No. You're taking a shower. No, I got pee on my pants. He peed in his freaking pants. Yo, Jaden, you're taking a shower now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let's take our digestive cocaine. Gets demonetized.
Cocaine.
No, wait.
I need to take my cocaine.
No, wait, we're currently getting demonetized.
Determinized.
Okay, go.
Cocaine. We'll be right back after these short ads. So I just wanna rolly when I never at.
Sing the words to this dance as we go.
I'm gonna take my horse to
No. It's the dance part. Let them try it at home. Alright?
Well, I know what it is.
Skirt. 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 I'm amazing. I'm dabbing. And it's like so 2017. You know what you do in 2017?
What you do?
In 2017, dance. With the damn. It's on a backpack.
We're gonna look in the fridge.
Yeah, well, my name's Backpack Kid, and I like to wear backpacks. Go take a shower. Get that off of you after you peed your pants. My mom's blanket. Because you peed in yourself. Go take a shower. Put my mom's blanket down and go take a freaking shower.
But what are you making?
Nothing.
Oh boy, you making that broth?
Yeah.
Okay, Billy. I'm just gonna be in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, they're gonna love this, guys. Okay, get the camera.
I gotta vlog what I'm doing, bro.
Nope.
Oh my god, it's broth. Okay. Go! Or I'll put beans in your thing.
Mm. I'm vlogging.
Yeah, give me it.
I'm vlogging.
We're gonna go with Chef Amaya for a little bit, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Not
No,
you.
I'm vlogging.
No.
I'm the
You
cameraman
can't
for
see
right
what I'm
now.
making. Fine, you don't get to come in.
This is all for Jaden.
Unless
Thank
you
you.
give me the camera. Go away. Tell me if he peeks, guys. my new camera. Shut it. Stop. This is actually going to be really good. I've made this for my friend before, and they literally loved it. And I had this in a very fancy restaurant, too.
I'm not eating.
Oh, yeah. I'm almost done.
You haven't have a drink with it.
Okay. Stop. James. Or I'll eat this all myself. You really want me to eat it all myself that bad?
That almost killed me.
Oh yeah. Hey yo, is it cool if I plug my channel?
What?
If it's cool if I plug my channel?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay, subscribe to Amaya Vogel, get her up to 8 subscribers. And maybe more, I don't even know. How many subscribers I've had? Because I haven't posted like a year. Wait, maybe 2. More than a year, I know that.
Amaya, after that, I'll make you food.
Okay.
I
This
actually
is-
have an idea.
Inside, got some pants stuffed up my underwear. Okay, you're gonna have to close your eyes to eat this one. Go with that?
No.
It's good. Let me show the audience though. Let's see what the audience thinks. I bet they'll be like, wow, Amaya, you're an amazing cook. I should check out your channel. Look at this. Look at this. Like, who wouldn't want to eat this? Unless you're like allergic to what this is right there, then you would want to eat this. Go away.
What is it?
No, dude.
You're working online.
No. You can pick out your ingredients from in there.
Okay. Mine's a full course meal.
Really? Okay. I'm just gonna cut this and then give it to you.
Mine's a full course meal, so.
Alright, cut it. Now we gotta do this and then do this and then close your eyes. Open your mouth like a man. No. 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 Not that.
Why not tomato soup?
Yeah. I don't like tomatoes like that. You cannot pick anything gross.
Okay,
Those are disgusting together. I got you something that was like the best thing ever, and I didn't eat the rest of it.
okay, I'm gonna make something good.
Okay, close your eyes.
No, I made. I.
No.
Can you? Okay.
Close your eyes. It's amazing. Guess what it is? You've never had this before, and I almost didn't just cut my wrist. Never.
I don't even know.
Pineapple with whipped cream.
Yeah.
It's good. He just said yuck to this. Yo, would you eat this? I would eat this.
It's fine.
Yeah, so you're allowed to. You're so lazy.
I'm gonna pick out more of mine.
Yeah. It can't be anything that would be gross together and that you wouldn't eat together.
I'm not mixing them up though. It's a 2-course.
Okay.
You like chicken broth?
No. It's just the broth. It's just the juice. What? because it's just broth. You like beef broth?
I don't like broth.
There's nothing in here that doesn't have broth.
Not this. I don't want this, or anything that's broth. Perfect. I'm not eating all that. Okay, I'm gonna start making it. Okay, I'll be in here while you're doing that. Okay, guys.
That's gonna be the end of this video.
Well, part 2 in a little bit.
we'll do part 2 in a little. We'll do part 2 in a little bit. Right,
Oh,
right
yeah.
back at you.